Hey, everybody, all my friends, relatives, and of course, all of my close cousins. Today, I want to talk to you just a few minutes about fear and what's going on in the markets. Many of you guys have heard on TV and the radio or whatever you listen to that the markets are dropping. And it's true. Plenty of the markets are dropping. Not all of them, but the market in general is down. But does that mean that we don't buy stocks? Does that mean that we stay on the sidelines forever? Well, let me show you guys, like I like to do, an example of why now that the markets are down, this is probably a good time to think about buying if you're not already buying. So without further ado, let's go to a chart. Okay, I'm going to first type in AMC. Here we have a chart, and it's a weekly chart of AMC. And if you guys remember, weekly chart means that each one of these little bars and candles that I'm pointing to represents 1 week of activity. So this is where we are this week. AMC is down around $12 per share. It has gone as high last year of $72 per share. Now, this over here, as you can see this run up in AMC, markets go up and markets come down. This going up activity was almost exactly 1 year ago, May, June of last year. Now, before that, the market was going sideways for a long time. And then buyers started to come into the market and eventually shot it up. But while it was down over here, people were accumulating shares. It was so cheap, so inexpensive that people and institutions and hedge funds and insurance companies were buying AMC very cheap. So when it did make its run up, a lot of money was made. So now here we are again, a year later. The market is down, AMC is down. So what am I looking for to do? I have shares in AMC that I'm holding, just like the people did a year or so ago. But I'm looking to buy even more. And I'm hoping to see it stop dropping eventually and start to go sideways. That way I can accumulate more shares at whatever that price may be. But I want to tell you guys, this is the time to consider buying or to watch it like I'm doing, because stocks go up, stocks come down. It will come a time that this stock, more than likely, now we cannot predict the market. I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm not your financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. But I want you guys to know that most stocks, they will go up and they will come down. The way that we want to do this is buy low and sell when it's high. Most of you, unfortunately, are going to wait till you hear on the news that it's going up and it's so high. By the time you jump into it, it's too late. All of us that have bought down here have already made our money. We're going to sell, take our profits, and move on to the next venture. So I'm trying to show you guys, do not wait around. Do not go totally by what the news is telling you, because the news is there to keep you afraid, to keep you out of the markets, while the people in the know that know what they're doing are accumulating in this area now. They want you to be afraid. They don't want you to buy now. They want to accumulate as much of the stocks as possible. So when it does rise, like I'm saying, money will already be made. And those of you that are chasing it will be the losers. So this is an example of one stock. Let me show you what's happening with cryptocurrencies. Very similar. This is Shiba Inu. It has dropped. The same plan. Look how it went up 6-8 months ago or a year ago. Sooner or later, it's going to come back and go back up. So what do? This is the time, if you have a few spare coins, to accumulate and buy it while it's so inexpensive. Same with Bitcoin, drop it. Same with Dogecoin, drop it. So this is the time to accumulate, because again, sooner or later, we can't time the market. It's going to look like this again. You see all these greens? Sooner or later, when you're sleeping one day, it could be a week from now, it could be a month from now, it could be 2 or 3 months from now. But sooner or later, there's going to be a pop up. And those of us that have purchased while it's low are going to make money. Those of you that wait and are afraid will be the ones that lose money again. So it's a never-ending cycle. Remember to buy low. Stocks, cryptocurrencies are on sale now. And the last example I'll give you is just like a TV set. If you are planning on buying a TV set, you don't wait till you see that it's gone up in price. You wait for a sale. That's when you run out to the store and buy it. Same things with stock and crypto. They're on sale now as we speak. This is the time to buy. So I hope this has helped you guys think a little bit differently, not be afraid, look at the markets, buy a little if you want to, because it's so inexpensive that once you make just a small run up, you're already going to be in profit. So thank you guys for listening. Like, share, subscribe, make a comment, click that notification bell so that you get notified when I have other videos coming out. And I look forward to talking to you again on the next video.